In this video, I will show you how to fix the camera flash on your Samsung phone. To start off, grab your Samsung device and open up the camera app. Once you have the camera app open, look for a small button with 4 little dots located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now, locate the lightning bolt icon. This represents your flash settings. If you notice that this icon is crossed out, it indicates that your camera flash is currently disabled. To enable it, simply tap on the lightning icon or select the version with an A symbol next to it. After enabling it, take a quick photo to see if that fixed your problem. If your flash is still not working, don't worry. Tap on the gear icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down all the way to find Reset Settings. Tap Reset Settings, then confirm by tapping Reset once more when prompted. Now that you've reset your camera settings, give it another go. Test out that flash one more time by snapping a quick picture in low light. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.